Yes, that's Marco already digging in before I can even explain. These pecan pie cheesecake bars are creamy, gooey, and honestly way easier than they look. Let's start with the crust. It sets the base for everything, so just make sure it's packed evenly. That's what keeps the bar sturdy but still soft when you bite in. So here's a secret. This cheesecake doesn't need a water bath and it still comes out creamy and smooth. And it all starts here with how you mix all the ingredients. Don't beat the life out of them. That's the trick to keeping it crack-free later. Eggs are what hold everything together, but they can also ruin the texture if you whisk them too much. That's why we beat them separately first, just to break them up, and then fold them in gently. It keeps the batter creamy instead of airy, so you get that smooth cheesecake bite. A few taps to pop any air bubbles, that's all you need. And our secret is to bake it low and slow. No water bath, no cracks. When it jiggles like this, it's perfect. That soft wobble means creamy later. Now we're just gonna let it rise for 10 minutes while we make the topping. We are skipping corn syrup or golden syrup here. We are using honey instead. It gives that natural caramel flavor and the same glossy finish. And of course, pecans, the star of this whole thing. Give them a good mix so every piece gets coated. Now, just spoon it gently on top. It's gonna settle beautifully without sinking in. Back in the oven for the final bake. Then let it rest, chill, and this is what you get. Creamy, soft, and not a single crack. That buttery base, the creamy cheesecake, the glossy honey pecans on top, every layer just works beautifully. Now go and make it, but don't blame us when you finish half the tray.